the G-36. For nearly 20 years, it was the face of the German Bundeswehr. But in 2015, a single announcement sent shockwaves through the military world. Then Defense Minister Ursula von der Leyen dropped a bombshell. The G-36 had no future. Allegations of critical precision and safety defects had finally doomed the standard-issue rifle. With a technical upgrade ruled out, the mission was clear. German soldiers needed a new assault rifle, one that could handle every single scenario, from high-intensity alliance defense to the harshest foreign deployments. But this wasn't just about replacing a gun. The tender demanded an entire assault rifle system, a new main combat sight, a reflex sight, and a laser light module. As Julia Rydell from the BAAINBW project team put it, the list of requirements was extensive. Why so complex? Because every unit had unique demands. Mountain infantry needed a weapon that wouldn't fail in the extreme cold. The Sea Battalion required a rifle that could be submerged and still fire immediately. It had to be ambidextrous, adjustable for every soldier's arm length. A staggering 30 pages of demands in total. The final tally? The Bundeswehr needed 118,718 new rifles, plus the same number of accessory kits and optics. The total cost for this massive modernization effort was estimated at around 772 million euros. After a procurement process that stalled multiple times, the Bundestag finally released the funds in late 2022. The winner? The HK416A8 from Heckler & Koch. The system is completed by a laser light module from Rheinmetall and optics from Raytheon ELCAN. Crucially, the main and reflex sights are now combined into a single, advanced combi sight. All the components were market-ready, but they required precise adaptation to meet the troops' needs. With delivery set to begin at the end of 2025, the era of the G-36 is finally over. The Bundeswehr is about to enter a new age of infantry firepower.